headed to West Palm Beach today to hang out with the guys at Gravely. They were gracious enough to ask us to come out. I got to bring a +1, so took Blake as my +1.
We're lost. We're lost. Our plane leaves in 3 minutes and we're lost. No, just kidding.
We made it into Florida. We actually picked up a couple extra guys over here. We got the Nickens brothers. What up? And we got Seth. What up? But we made it into Florida. Now we got to go find our baggage and then we got to find our ride.
I hope we didn't throw baggage.
And hopefully he didn't jinx it, because last time he traveled, he lost his bag. I have absolutely never lost a bag traveling. So if it happens today, I'm gonna blame him. We finally actually made it to the hotel. I haven't been on here. It's actually been a couple hours since we've been here. What have we done? We've sat around and talked to everybody, which is awesome because we get to find out about other people's social media and how they do things.
We got to eat.
Yeah, we got to eat, finally. We started at 4 o'clock this morning with no food, so we finally got to eat. Now we're actually headed out to a boat. They're gonna take us out in the ocean. Blake's gonna get sick. I'm gonna get footage of him puking overboard.
Today's scene is brought to you by Dramamine.
He's trying to stop it. We'll see if it happens. But if he does, I'm gonna get it on footage just for you guys.
I love seeing all the passionate
Thanks.
people,
You're welcome.
and I don't like
It'll be fun. It'll be the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail right there for this video. So watch for that. If it's not the thumbnail, then we'll just kind of fake it and make it the thumbnail. How about that?
All right, sounds good.
So we're about to hop on the Island Princess right here. And we're gonna get dinner.
Island Princess is right here.
Yep. Hey, right there.
I'll be your Island Princess.
Andy's my Island Princess. We're about to jump on this boat right here, cruise around a little bit. We're gonna have dinner tonight on the ship or boat or whatever you want to call this thing. But so far, this has been an awesome trip. These guys are really taking care of us, and I'm excited to see what's to come. Day 2. They're putting us on a bus, 2-hour drive before we get there, and then we'll be trying out all the mowers. It was a quick, what, hour and 45-minute drive? You saw me just get on the bus, now I'm gonna get off. So you don't have to see all the stuff that went on for an hour and 45 minutes.
She doesn't want to sit around here. Blake Hawthorne?
Yeah, that's who I am. Do you know this guy? Yeah, don't subscribe.
All my shots.
You're like running away from me. You're like, hey, come film me. and I'm just gonna like run off into Never Never Land. I can't do it, bro. I'm fat, dude. I'm fat. Look at this. Can't do it, man.
But guys, we have finally made it to the end of the trip. I know I haven't always put up everything that we've done. Unfortunately, sometimes whenever we're all hanging out like this, it is fun to just kind of put the camera away, get to know guys, learn from these guys. A lot of these guys have been in business a lot longer than I have, so I enjoy learning from them, and you got to throw that camera down to be able to do that and talk to them. Don't smash it. But it has been a fun trip, guys. Learned a lot, had a lot of fun with Gravely. They feel like family. I mean, from the moment I got off of the plane, got to the hotel, they've treated me like family. They have accepted us as family. These guys are awesome. So I want to say a big thank you to Gravely for sending us here. I think it's awesome that they let me bring Blake along with me.
Oh yeah.
You guys know, Blake has helped me a lot. And for me to be able to bring him to this, knowing that he's used Gravely as much as he's used Gravely, that makes me excited.
Awesome.
So,
Lifetime experience, man.
absolutely.